Today I have an assignment for you. You will check the voltages of all these batteries and note them down so we can be sure that our batteries are still good and usable. I have some work, so I will be back in some time.
Okay. Now I will make a big aeroplane with flashing lights. Wing, 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 wing. Oh no! I hope it is not broke. Oh no! It is not showing the voltage. Let's see if the electronic blocks help me to see the voltage. Oh yes, here is that 4-volt DC voltmeter. Let me get the blocks. Let's see if the 1.5 volt batteries are good. Yes, they are good to use. Oh, this is 4-volt DC voltmeter. Now I have to check 9-volt battery. Let's see if there is something else. This looks like a down battery.
Did you complete the assignment?
Yes.
Good. See how it is to check the voltage. Oh no! What happened to my meter? Do you know anything about this?